Success isn't just a destination. It's a journey filled with challenges, growth, and endless possibilities. Every setback you face is an opportunity to rise stronger and smarter. Remember, the most successful people didn't get there by avoiding failure. They embraced it. Imagine waking up each day with a purpose, a fire in your belly driving you forward. Visualize your goals not as distant dreams, but as achievable milestones within your reach. Surround yourself with positivity and those who uplift you. Your environment shapes your mindset. Believe in your potential. You have a unique gift to share with the world. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Take that first step, even if it's small. Each step forward builds momentum and confidence. The magic happens when you push past your comfort zone. So rise up, chase your dreams relentlessly, and keep moving forward. Remember, success is not just about what you achieve, but who you become in the process. Keep striving, keep believing, and never give up.